got our new friend Bella. Well, our friend. She's shy. And our friend Lily, this is the second part of the video. We're going to watch Lily play some Roblox. Yeah. It's called Whack-A-Hole, but yeah. Sorry if you guys can not really see it. We'll try to make it good enough.
Yeah, I want to purchase this.
I don't think you have Robux. Oh, we can see better now. There.
See.
My.
There, this one.
We gotta try and make it able so Lily can see, but you guys can see. Lily has a hammer, cause. What are you playing?
Like that.
Oh, I know what you're playing. Never mind. Okay, since we can't see that.
Why is your cat hissing?
Oh, because our cats hate each other.
Yeah.
Don't even think about it. Don't, Lily.
My boy cat, then like girl cat, he fights her.
Hey.
Well, it's actually playing normally, but it looks like fighting.
Don't touch
Once I heard her cry, it sounded like she was about to die.
Oh!
You know how
Just so.
lions catch their prey by putting their mouth on the neck? That's what he did to her.
You guys want to see my cat? Where's my cat?
She just ran into your mom's room. She went in there, under the couch.
I don't know. That's my room.
Cat.
My room. All right. So we're just looking at my fridge. I scared Bella. Well, I scared Bella. Yeah. I almost called you Lily. I put my mouth on that. My whole entire mouth. I shoved that whole entire thing in my mouth.
God.
You want to go see the chickens?
Yep.
All right, guys. We're going to go see my chickens.
I saw one chasing after me.
Yeah. I know they do that. All right, guys. We're with my chickies.
How? I'm kind of terrified being over
My
here.
chickies don't look real, but they are real. So, can I pet you?
What do they do if they get really close to you?
This. I just touched it. Come on. Look. You're so fluffy. Those are my other four, and they're idiots sometimes. Hazel, something.
You guys eat
I need to tell Jackie. Yeah.
Nice chicken. Yeah. You nice chicken.
You want to peck my phone? Here, peck the phone. Look. Lily,
I do
leave
not
him.
want to touch that chicken.
Pet me. Go pet me. All right, well, we got some real eggs. They are fresh laid, and I don't know why I'm touching them, but I am. So.
So you're allowed to pet them and they don't poke you?
No. Poke? What? No. That's cool.
I thought you guys just let the eggs hatch.
Eggs.